Hello everyone, so how to install Redbox on Apple TV 4. So here's Apple TV icon, just go there. Okay, sorry, I have some previous app. And then for example here I see Redbox, Rent, Watch TV, Play. It's in top rated apps, top 3 apps for example. I can just go up and just click search here. It's just another way. So I'm just trying to search. Ouch. Clicking on search, just go to, and then you have Redbox. It's like the first result, and then just click get. You need to be signed in with your Apple ID on this Apple TV, and that's how you add apps. Super similar, the same as on iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. Yeah, but it's only for Apple TV 4 or 4K. You can't add apps like that on Apple TV 3 or 2 or like earlier models. So that's the advantage of Apple TV 4. Then you will need to wait some time depending on your internet connection basically. I hope it won't last that long. And then basically when it's installed, just need to open it and sign in with your account. But before that, you will need to create your account on your laptop. Almost there, and then just click open, and there it is. Service unavailable is probably because I'm located in Europe. So I'm just will go back to my home screen, and where it's located, it's in the very bottom. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching.